what is it that you're doing, and who are you doing it for?
Well, that is the interesting concept that people have of Westminster and the City of London, is that it's affluent. And yes, Westminster is home to Mayfair, the West End, Belgravia, Knightsbridge, but it's also home to places like Church Street. Now, that's not in my constituency, it's in Westminster North, but it's part of the borough of Westminster. It's one of the poorest areas in the country. In the City of London, obviously it's affluent, but there are also social housing where people rent their homes and have lived there for many, many years. So it isn't the usual understanding that it is a rich area. Yes, of course it is. But there are amazing charities in Westminster, particularly around rough sleeping, because Westminster is home to the largest number of rough sleepers in the country because of the geographic nature of being the capital of the capital. It draws more people in because then people can get help, they can beg for money, they can the rough sleepers I speak to say they feel safer on the streets of Westminster because it's so busy.
Yeah.
So there's an awful lot of work going on for rough sleepers, and I work with the Passage, I work with St Mungo's and others to really understand the reasons why people end up on the streets and try to move them on, basically, and improve their lives.
One of our senior management at the English Business Council works with St Martin's in the Fields. I understand they do some good work in the evenings for the homeless.
Yes, they do. They've got they're outstanding charity. They do the night shelter, and I've been there several times. And they work with Westminster City Council to try and then provide services, because the vast majority of people who are on the streets are usually there because of drug or drink addiction, mental health. And so places like St Martin's in the Field have the services there to really try and turn people's lives around.